We are CO5 NavSea. We are united by a common goal: keeping America's Navy #1 in the world. At CO5, we develop, deliver, and maintain ships and systems for the world's preeminent naval force.
CO5 is unique in that it directly supports the warfighter. We exist because what we do is maintain the assets, the platforms, and the systems that the warfighter uses.
At CO5, we are accountable to the Chief of Naval Operations. We deliver, modernize, and maintain today's Navy. The guiding force for our national security. To accomplish this mission, CO5 must transform into a competency-aligned organization with a new agenda for change.
As an in-service ship design manager, I'm responsible for maintaining and ensuring that they're ready for warfighting tasking, and to ensure that they go through the end of their life, which is incredibly important in achieving the 313 goal in 2010. Because if we don't keep our existing ships in line and we can't afford to build them, then we're in trouble. This is not what you want to hear, but this is what the reality is. So,
to achieve this goal, CO5 is determined to sustain today's Navy, build an affordable future, and enable our workforce.
One of my most recent experiences within CO5 was with the LCAC, the Landing Craft Air Cushion. I had the opportunity to go forward and brief a 3-star Admiral, Admiral McCoy, on a critical failure with the craft. It was very satisfying to know that my boss had entrusted me with the management of the resolution. I think this experience really exemplifies my growth as an engineer within CO5.
The teams within CO5 are the backbone of naval engineering. We set the standards as the technical authority for ship, hull, mechanical, and electrical systems. At CO5 NavSea, our teams strive to achieve our common vision by evaluating new ship concepts, formulating ship design requirements, and supervising the building process from cradle to grave.
My particular career path, because it is so broad, because it is from cradle to grave for ships, it was about, okay, what does long-range planning look like? What does the ship design look like? What does actually ship construction look like? And then what does actual maintenance and actual operations look like? Then finally, the ship gets decommed, and we're either going to cut it up or sell it, or we're going to defuel it. There's some kind of grave process, but really, my job looks at architecting the Navy from the front to the back, and how do all of those different ship classes fit together and still allow us to do our job.
Each and every CO5 employee contributes to our success. From the engineering specialist in the shipyard to the scientist at the Warfare Center, we are all significantly involved in the drive to expand the fleet by 2020. We are all key members of the NavSea team. We are all vital to the success of our mission.
CO5 offers amazing opportunities. You can rotate within the codes and one day be working on survivability of ship systems, the next be out trying to help work on ship designs, and another day you could be working on making a singular system more efficient and helpful to the sailor.
I'm honored to work in CO5 because they are responsible for the protection and maintainability of various ships and ship systems, which my grandfather worked on while he was a captain in the Navy.
The CO5 mission, directed by the highest levels of government, help the Navy defend our nation and preserve our freedom. Brave men and women in uniform risk their lives to protect our nation. They rely on CO5. We are all part of an agenda for change. We are all part of the collective CO5 voice. Our voice. One voice.